Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning in my guided journal, and I'm going to be using Happy Hostess and the encouragement sticker books. I've already picked a quote to start my week off. It says, "Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can." So I'm going to pull my pages off of my planner here. This guided journal is something that I look forward to every night when I go to bed. I just kind of sit and reflect on the day and then kind of think about what tomorrow is going to do. So I've really enjoyed using this guided journal, and I want to play off of these flowers that are in the Happy Hostess book. So I know that's going to be like my focal point with my quote. I'm just trying to decide which flowers I'm going to use. These are really pretty, but I feel like I need to hoard those. So let's just see what else I can find in this book. I love everything about Happy Hostess. I am not really a hostess per se, but you can use any sticker book for any reason or anything. It doesn't have to necessarily go with the theme of the book. You can just pick stickers and do what you want to with them. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. Let's see if I can find anything in the encouragement book. I didn't pre-plan this spread other than I knew that I wanted to use these florals. So I think I want to use some of these routine morning and evening routine stickers. This page just kind of gets me geared up for the week, so I think I might want to just put my routines on here just to kind of give myself a reminder every day. I am liking my habit trackers down at the bottom, and then the word of the week too, so I'll probably still do that this week. Last week I chose persistence. That's just something that I'm not very good at. I like to start and stop projects just, quite often. So persistence was my word for this week, and I've actually been pretty persistent. So I get an A for effort, right? Alright, so I'm just going to start with this pretty pink and tealish green color floral, and then I got to figure out where I want to put my quote. I think I'm just going to kind of overlap where on this flower, and that looks crooked to me, so let me try again. It's going to take me a couple tries here to actually get it lined up the way that I want to. You'll notice that I didn't actually press, that's way crooked. I didn't press the sticker all the way down so that I could move it around. And then this time I think it's still a little bit crooked, but you know what, I'm tired of messing with it, so it's going to just have to do. Okay. Now I do want to put one more flower up here at the top of my quote. So let's do this one. I think that turned out really cute. Alright, now I got to decide what else I want to put on this page. I want to put this little yellow flower, but the green leaves on the yellow flower don't match the other leaves, so we'll just cut them off. And we're going to put that one right here in this little hole because the little empty space was bothering me. Alright, now let's move on. Don't get hung up on one thing, Casey. Let's move on. Okay, so let's put maybe, I think I need something up at the top too, so before I stick that down, let me go find something to go up at the top here. And I think I'll probably use one of these cute circles and maybe just put like a quote or a Bible verse or something up top there. This pink one I think will be pretty. So we'll put that up here and then keep going with our routine stickers. Just need to straighten this one up a little bit. Okay, now let's do evening routine. And before I lay this down, I'm thinking that I want to put a flower in between the two boxes. So let me go grab one real quick. And I'm going to use the paper flowers and not the clear ones. I think this yellow up here at the top would be cute, and then I still need one to go in between my routine boxes. Let's see what I can find. I want to use these little washi strips, but I'm just not going to use them this time. I think I'd rather use those in like a vertical layout or I don't know, something else. So then I saw this that says meal plan, and I thought that I could use it too and just pull some more yellow in. Now let's get back to the flowers. I think I am going to use a clear one here in between my two routine boxes. So I just need to trim the edge off of this flower so that it lays up evenly up against my box. We'll put this here, and then I'm going to grab my evening routine box and kind of stagger it over so that it doesn't cover up the flower. Okay, now on this page I'm actually only going to write in the boxes. So like on my planner pages, I would mainly write on the pages and not in the boxes or in my decor. So this page is totally opposite for me. So all the white space that's in the background is not going to be written on. So I feel like I kind of need to fill it up as much as possible. Alright, now I'm feeling like I still need some more stuff here on the left hand side. So I'm going to go to the encouragement sticker book and see if I can't find like a banner or maybe a long quote or something to go between the habit tracker and the evening routine box. So I think I like this yellow one up top here. It says own your magic, and it matches everything on the spread. So we'll put that there. Now I still, gotta straighten it up, but I still need another flower here on this right hand side. So we're going to grab another paper one, and I know this is a lot of yellow, but I think this flower is really cute here between the two, and it just kind of fills up some of that white space. Okay, so I think that'll do it for this side of the page, or this side of the layout. And then I don't do a whole lot over here. I'm just gonna go in with some florals. I'm gonna use the same bouquet that I used on the other page up here in this top corner. Okay, just got to cut that excess off. And let's see if there's anything else I can use over here. Probably not going to find a whole lot. Y'all let me know in the comments below, are y'all using the guided journals at all? It's just something that I never really thought much about using, but I think it's really relaxing and it's fun just to decorate every night. I would love to decorate a planner spread every day, but that doesn't happen because you decorate it once and you're done for a week. So with the guided journal, I actually do get to decorate every day. So I'm really enjoying it. It just kind of helps me wind down at the end of the day. So let's see what else I can find here. Probably gonna try to maybe just cover up week of, just because I want to put a little bit more color on the page and I feel like I need some yellow. So I'm gonna white out this week of, and I'm still gonna write the week, you know, the dates up here, but it'll be cuter if I just put it in this yellow box. And then I think probably the only other thing that I'm gonna do over here is find my word of the week sticker. But of course I need to do one more little flip through to see if there's anything else that catches my eye. This page I usually write a whole lot in, so I don't want to like fill it up with stickers. So let's just look real quick and then I'll grab my word of the week sticker. Okay, so I am going to grab a pink one. I'm not sure what my word for this week will be, but I'll think of something. So this is looking like everything for this week's spread in my guided journal. And this is the wellness guided journal, in case I didn't say that before. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and you are enjoying your guided journals. Hopefully I can inspire you a little bit to have a little bit of fun every day and laying some stickers down in your journals. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would at least consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss any notifications. Here's what my journal spread looks like for the coming week. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.